Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Mailchimp API key. First, you will need to log into your Mailchimp account using your username and password. Once logged in, look for the profile icon, typically found in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on this icon and then select Profile from the menu that appears. This action will take you to your account details page, where we can find the necessary settings. Now that you are on your profile page, locate the Extras drop-down menu. This menu provides additional settings and tools for your account. Click on Extras, and then select the API Keys option from the list. This will direct you to a dedicated page where all your existing API keys are displayed. If you have generated keys before, they will be visible here for your reference. To generate a brand new API key, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Your API Keys. Within this section, you will see a button that says Create a Key. Click this button and Mailchimp will instantly generate a unique API key for you. This key is a 32-character string of letters and numbers, essential for connecting your applications. Once your new API key is generated, it's crucial to copy it immediately. You can simply click the copy icon next to the key. Then, paste this key into the designated field within your application or integration that requires Mailchimp access. For better organization, you can also add a descriptive label to each API key, making it easier to identify its purpose later on. This helps manage multiple integrations effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.